Good morning, children. Lesson number 6, Natural Regions. So let's continue the lesson. Taiga region. Location and extent. Approximately between 55° and 65° north parallels from Alaska to the Atlantic coast, parts of Eurasia. Climate of Taiga region. Summer temperature 15° to 20° Celsius. Winter temperature below 0° Celsius. And mean annual rainfall between 300 and 500 millimeter. Rainfall in summer, snowfall in winter. Natural vegetation in Taiga region. Coniferous forest. Leaves are narrow and pointed. Branches leaning towards the ground. Wood is light and soft. Spruce, pine, redwood, etc. are found here. Animals live in Taiga region. Animals have soft and thick fur. Caribou, elks, ermine, beavers, silver fox, minks, bears, etc. are found here. Human life in Taiga region. Population is less. Lumbering and hunting are major occupation. Lumbering means to cut trees and get out log. And few agrarian activities. Agrarian means about agriculture. Next region is grassland regions. Between location and extent. Between 30° and 55° north and south parallels in the interior parts of the continents. Steppes, Eurasia. Wilds, South Africa. Pampas, South America. Prairies, North America. And downs, Australia, etc. are found here. Climate. Summer temperature around 27° Celsius. Winter temperature below 0° Celsius. Mean annual rainfall 400 to 600 millimeter. Rainfall mostly during summers. Natural vegetation in grasslands. Extensive grass ranches are seen. Ranches means very large farm. Short grasses growing in lumps. Grass get dried up in winter. Elder, poplar trees are found. Animal life in grasslands. Wildlife includes deer, horses, dogs, wolves, bison means wild buffalo, rabbits, hares, kangaroos, dingoes, etc. Domesticated animals like sheep, goat, cattle, horse, donkeys are also found here. Human life in grasslands. Rearing animals is the main occupation. Earlier, people had a nomadic life. Nomadic means roaming from place to place, not settling at one place. Lived in hide tents. And they grow wheat. Next region is hot desert region. Location and extent. Between 20° and 30° north and south parallels. In the western parts of continents, Sahara, North Africa, Colorado, North America, Atacama, South America, Kalahari, South Africa, and Thar, Asia, etc. Climate in hot desert regions. Mean summer temperatures 30° to 45° Celsius. Mean winter temperature is 20° to 25° Celsius. Tremendous heat and very low rainfall. Tremendous means very hot there. Nights are very cold. Natural vegetation in hot desert regions. Thorny bushes with hardly any leaves. Leaves are narrow, oily, have thick barks. Once moisture in soil is consumed, plants die. For example, cactus, sisal, palms, date palms, etc. Animal life in hot desert region. Camels survive for days without water. Number of animals living on the ground is less. Daytime live inside the ground. For example, snakes, rats, lizards, scorpions, etc. Domesticated animals like horse, donkeys, sheep, oxen, etc. are also found here. Human life in hot desert regions. Bedouins, Sahara. Bushmen, Kalahari. Most of the needs get fulfilled through animals. Agriculture is confined to river, valley and oases. Oasis means a fertile spot in desert that is called oasis.